Yeah. What did you learn? What did you learn in the last 2 weeks? What did you learn? Apa yang kalian pelajari 2 minggu lalu? Can you still remember what did you learn before?
Can I answer, Miss?
Yeah, of course, Era.
I remember that last 2 weeks we learned about differences about paper, articles, and journal. That's all that I remember, Miss. Thank you.
Oh, really? Okay. Yeah. Another one?
May I answer, Miss?
Yeah, sure. Sabrina?
So I think last 2 weeks we learned about the definition about scientific writing, and then the types of scientific writing, and then after that we have to make a group, and then we make a presentation about the difference between research paper and theoretical review paper, Miss.
Okay, good. I still remember what the topic were. What the topics were. Still remember? Sabina, masih ingat? Topik itu tentang apa?
Tentang disuruh cari perbedaan makalah sama.
No. I mean, you have to explain. You have to explain. Okay, yeah. You have to explain what is A, what is B, what is C. Yeah. Or anyone else wants to help Sabina to answer the questions? Putri, Marani?
May I answer, Miss?
Okay, Astri.
Sorry,
If
Miss.
I'm not mistaken, I think the last 2 weeks we talked about what is scientific paper. Scientific paper is a paper that we use and about a fact, or in Indonesia we call it fakta. And after that we have discussion. And I think that's Sabina's group that was presentation. And actually it's not finished yet because they didn't put the tables about the differences between research paper and theoretical paper. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Astri. Yeah. Last 2 weeks, we talked about theoretical papers and research papers, right? As scientific writings. Okay, research papers consist of research, ya, result of research. Jadi kalau apa itu namanya? Artikel penelitian itu isinya adalah hasil penelitian gitu ya. But theoretical paper is more than explain about theories, yeah, and the relationships of the theories that you explain on the paper. Can you got it? Ya, jadi kalau teori, ya, kalau paper teori itu lebih kalian menghubung-hubungkan teori yang kalian bahas gitu ya. Oke, good. So we can move to the next topic. Today we will talk about the content, the contents of research paper and theoretical papers. Okay, you have to find 2 papers, ya. One of them is theoretical paper and another is research paper. Got it? Yeah?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay,
Yes, Miss.
still follow me, ya. If you don't understand, please raise your hand and ask me again. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Don't try to be silent because silent is not gold. Ya. Jadi kalau kalian nggak ngerti, tanyain aja, jangan jadi diem karena diem itu bukan emas ya. Ya, silent is not a gold. Ya, if silent is a gold, I will buy silent. Okay? Ya. Oke. Jadi kalian akan mencari dua jenis karya ilmiah, ya, dua jenis karya ilmiah. Satunya adalah artikel penelitian dan satunya lagi adalah artikel theoretical review. And then you analyze the two papers, ya. You analyze them and then find out the contents of the papers. Okay. Such as, okay, research paper consists of a background and then blah 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 and then blah 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 and then blah blah blah. Background consists of blah 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 blah. Understand? Ya?
Yes, Miss.
Oke ya.
Yes,
Oke.
Miss.
Jadi kalian nanti dari dua artikel itu kalian lihat isinya apa gitu ya, kontennya apa, komponennya apa ya. Oh, research paper komponennya A, B, C, D. Theoretical review komponennya A, B, C, D. Oke. Nah, setelah itu kalian melihat masing-masing dari komponen itu isinya apa, gitu ya. Baru kalian tuliskan, ya. You write it down. It's okay if you use PPT, ya, or you use another way. Oke. Jadi kalian tuliskan dalam PPT oke, cara lainnya juga oke. Oke. Fine?
Okay, Miss.
Great. So, Putri, can you make a breakout room?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, okay. Do you still remember your members of groups? Your group members still remember?
Yes,
Yes,
Miss.
Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Yes.
Still remember.
Yeah. Where's Putri? Putri? Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. I lost you. Putri, you should make the breakout room becomes A, B, C, D, E. Yeah. And then you tell your friends, yeah. Okay. A is for C. B is for bling 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 bling. C? No? Yeah, okay.
Sorry, Miss. If I make breakout room because I'm a host, I cannot join the breakout room. Can you make it?
Okay. Yeah, you should change the host to me.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And then I'll send back the host in the end of the meeting, okay? Okay, I'm host now.
Okay, down.
Okay, how many groups we have? How many groups we have? 2, 3, 4?
I think we have 5, Miss.
5 groups, right? Okay. Okay, room number 1 is for Sabina's group, right? Yeah, and then room number 2 is for Putri Maharani. Putri's group, yeah. Who else? Who else, Riwida? Yeah, okay. Room number 3 for Sriwida's group. Okay. Room number 4. Who's next?
Astri, Miss.
Astrid. Okay. Astrid's group. Okay, and the last one. Room number 5.
We must.
We must. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
We must group. Okay. Yeah. Can you find it? The names of the groups?
Yes, Miss.
Yeah,
Miss.
and then you
Yes,
join it.
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Yeah, join by yourself to your groups.
Miss, sorry before Miss.
Yeah.
You haven't mentioned my name in the absent.
Okay. Really?
I'm the new member, Miss.
Okay. Yeah, because your name isn't here. So I don't know. Okay. Wayan Eka.
Agus Prayoga.
Eka Agus Prayoga. Okay. Already.
Thank you, Miss.
Yep. Just join to your group. Narsi. Okay. Narsi still here?
Sorry, Miss.
Okay.
I have unstable signal before.
Okay. So what can I have you?
I'm Imade Punya Dharmika, Miss.
Okay. What should we do? What should I do? Okay, you should join to your group. Who's your leader? We have 5 groups here. Yeah, you join to your group, okay? Flower also, you choose your group. Don't stay in the main room, okay?
Lah kita pertama itu.
Okay.
Excuse me, Miss. I want to ask.
Yeah.
On my group, we cannot record because nothing host.
Okay, because you are not host, so you
Yes,
couldn't,
Miss.
yeah, you couldn't record your meeting, okay? But yeah, I've already record your meeting. I've already recorded your meeting. It's okay. Okay, so Nobita, did you finish it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
So if it's not problem if we don't record our group, Miss.
Yeah, it's okay because I recorded it. Yeah.
Okay, Miss. I wanna leave.
Okay, thank you. Please wait for your friends. Yeah. Wait for another groups because they are still in discussion. Yeah, and then arranging the PPT, I think. Yeah. Okay. Okay, while you waiting for your friends in another group, you can what is it? Prepare your presentation, okay? Because you're the first group, yeah, because you're the first group that finish your task, so your groups will presentate your result, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. I'll be back in 5 minutes. So if you want to go to toilet, please don't say, I'm sorry, I interrupt you. I will go to toilet. No one will hear you. Yeah, because that's not polite in Western culture. Okay, if you want to go to the restroom, yeah, don't say to go to toilet. Yeah, because toilet is restroom. Yeah, in the formal way. But don't say I want to go to restroom. Uh, that's not good. Yeah, say it and okay, excuse me, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Oh yes, please. Okay, yeah, I'll be
Okay,
back in 5 minutes means you want to go to the restroom. Okay, yeah.
Yes. Taruh ya. Balik ke breakout bentar yuk.
Boleh kan nih balik ke breakout?
Balik nih.
Okay, is everyone in the main room?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah. Yeah, because the time is off, so I close the breakout rooms, and then you feel like, oh, I'm fly, right? And then you are in the main room. Okay. something like you fly in the space, yeah? You fly on the space. Oh, it's something like that. Okay. Okay, students, we have one presenter for the verse.
Where is Miss Nancy?
Is she out from this thing? Or I don't know.
Maybe she lost her connection.
Our
I don't know.
Bye, Nancy.
participant is less.
Let's try to chat her in groups.
Yeah. Hi, students. I lost my connection because the electricity was off. Yeah. Oh God. And then we have to record this meeting again. Okay. Okay, Desi is the host right now, right? Yeah. So please record the meeting.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. So, okay. Sabina's group become the first group, yeah, that finish their task and then we'll present it for the verse, yeah. And then I think we just have 2 presenters because the times, yeah, we just have 2 hours. 2 hours. It's because we need data, right? The data is very expensive. So 2 hours make you feel, oh my God, I lost this. I lost 5 GB, right? Okay. So that's why we just have 2 presenters, yeah. The lucky one is Sabina's group, and then one groups for or another groups, you can raise your hands, yeah, if you want to share your task, ya. Jadi kalian silakan nanti angkat tangan setelah grupnya Sabina, ya. Okay, great. Desi, are you members of Sabina's group? No?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, share your PPT.
Let me share my PPT first.
Okay.
Okay, Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, all. So thank you for the time that given for our group to explain the matter first. So we are from Group C. Now we will explain about the content between research paper and theoretical review paper that we find after analyze 2 kind of scientific paper that we use. So before we start, it will be nice if we introduce ourselves first. So start from me. My name is Sabina Andari, and then beside me there is Desi.
Okay, sorry. Hello, everyone. My name is Nikoma Desi Pratiwi, and beside me.
Hello, my name is Putu Mahadipta, and beside me is.
Hello, my name is Nikita Navita Sari, and beside me is.
Hello, my name is Nenengade Elsa Aprichilia.
Okay. So first, we will explain about the research paper that we find at Google. So first, the content of research paper will explain by Vita. Vita, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity, Sabina. So in your screen, there is our research paper that we find. And based on our paper, I will tell you about the structure. Here, there is the title of this research paper, that the title is A Comparative Analysis of Offline and Online Evaluation and Discussion of Research Paper, Recommender System Evaluation. And this called the title of this research paper. And under the title, based on our research paper, there is the identity of the writer or the author that make this research paper. And then the structure of this research paper, next is the abstract. You can see on the screen, there is abstract. That in the abstract, it summarizes usually in one paragraph of 300 words or less. The major aspect of the entire paper in a prescribed sequence that includes the first, the overall purpose of the study and the research problems you investigate. And the second, in the abstract include the basic design of the study measure findings or the trend found as a result of your analysis. And the third include in the abstract is a brief or summary of your interpretation and conclusion. And you can see on the screen, under the abstract, there is categories and subject descriptor. In the categories and subject descriptor, including information, storage, and retrieval. And the next, in the under categories and subject descriptor, there is general terms, which is there is including by management and documentation. And then there is keywords. As you know, keyword provide by 3 until 5 keywords for each chapter. These keywords will
There are
enable.
keywords, Nopita. Sorry, I interrupt you. There are keywords because
Okay.
Some words there. Yeah. So there are keywords. Okay.
Okay, Miss. Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Yep.
There are keywords that provide by 3 until 5 keywords for each chapter. These keywords will enable the chapter's content to be successfully searched online. And keep keywords to 1 or 2 words rather than a phrase, if possible, and specific to the chapter, because the word in the title of your chapter are also used as a keyword. You do not have to include them in your list of chapter keywords. Next, the structure is introduction. In the introduction, you can see in the screen, in the introduction, it presents the background to your study and introduce your topic and aims. And in the introduction, it gives an overview of the paper. And the next structure, based on our research paper, is methods. Based on our research paper, the second structure is research objective and methodology. In this method, if you want to drive all aspects of your research methodology, such as data collection, design, analysis, and recommendation, you need to lay down the objective of research methodology. And the next structure, based on our research paper, is result.
Do you mean structure?
Yeah, structure.
Yeah, okay, structure, yeah. Not structure. So
Okay.
maybe it will, the meaning is different, right? Yeah, structure.
Okay. Okay, Miss. And the next structure is the result. In this result, sections should include the findings of your study, and the findings include is data present in the tables, charts, graphs, and other figures that may be placed among research text or on a separate page. Okay, and the next structure is discussion. In a discussion, whether the results met your expectation or support your hypothesis, contextualizing your findings within previous research and theory. In this discussion, explaining unexpected results and evaluating their significance. Considering a possible alternative explanation and making an argument for your position. The next structure of our research paper is summary and outlook. In the structure, restatement of the research problem, that a summary of your key arguments and or your findings. A short discussion of the implication of your research in the summary and outlook. And in the last structure that based on our research paper is a reference. A reference page is the last page of an essay or research paper that been written in APA style. It lists all the sources you've used in your project, so the reader can easily find what you've cited. And the reference, as we know in Bahasa, is daftar pustaka. And that's all I can explain about the content in our based in our research paper. Then the time given to Sabina. Thank you.
Okay, wait a
thank
minute.
you.
Wait a minute. Okay, Nopita, to make sure your friends understand what did you tell about, please make it summary in Bahasa. Yeah, make it summary in Bahasa. Tell your friends in Bahasa. Yeah, to make them check the meaning of your explanation in English. Okay, can you do it?
So I'll tell my friends to in Bahasa.
Yep. Okay, good.
Okay.
Yeah, because I think not all of you understand what did you say before. Yeah, so you need make just a short summary, a short summary about the things or the explanation that you made before. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, Miss.
Go on, Nopita.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity to me. I will tell you the content of or the structure of this based on our research paper with bahasa. Dari research paper yang kami dapatkan, kami menemukan research paper ini sebagai acuan kami dalam menentukan struktur dan untuk menganalisis struktur dan isinya juga. Jadi yang pertama, bagian paling atas itu merupakan judul dari research paper ini. Kemudian di bawah judul terdapat identitas dari autor atau dari penulis research paper ini, yang mana biasanya dicantumkan nama dan juga dicantumkan bisa saja dicantumkan emailnya. Kemudian di bawah identitas dari si autor atau si penulis ini tercantum abstrak, di mana dalam abstrak biasanya hanya satu paragraf yang terdiri dari 300 kata atau lebih. Dalam abstrak biasanya terdiri dari tujuan dari penulisan research paper ini yang sudah kita sebelumnya teliti atau yang sudah kita dapatkan sebelumnya. Kemudian untuk dalam abstrak ini juga biasanya berisi penjelasan dari keseluruhan materi yang akan kita bawakan atau kita tulis dan akan kita masukkan ke dalam abstrak. Kemudian di bawah abstrak ini terdapat kategori dan subjek deskripsi subjek, yang dimana di dalamnya berisi informasi penulisan dari research paper ini. Kemudian di bawah kategori itu terdapat general terms, yang mana di dalamnya itu terdapat dokumentasi dari research paper yang akan kita tulis. Kemudian untuk di bawah dari general term itu terdapat keyword, yang dimana keyword ini biasanya terdiri dari 3 sampai 5 keyword yang akan kita tuliskan dalam research paper. Dalam keyword ini biasanya terdapat beberapa chapter atau konten yang dapat kita gunakan untuk men-search secara online dari abstrak yang kita sudah tuliskan sebelumnya. Dari pemahaman saya seperti itu. Kemudian untuk struktur selanjutnya adalah introduction atau bisa juga disebut dengan perkenalan, atau biasanya pemahaman saya itu juga disebut pendahuluan. Dalam pendahuluan ini biasanya terdapat background atau background dari apa yang kita sudah lakukan sebelum dari topik yang akan kita cantumkan di dalam research paper ini. Di dalam pendahuluan biasanya berisi overview dalam paper yang akan kita buat di dalam research paper ini. Kemudian struktur yang kedua ini yaitu adanya metode. Jika kita menulis metode dan ingin mengisi semua aspek di dalam metode yang akan kita gunakan dalam research paper, seperti data, koleksi data, kemudian analisis dan rekomendasi, kita bisa menuliskannya di dalam research di dalam metode ini. Kemudian Kemudian kita juga bisa menuliskan semua metode yang kita gunakan dan data-data yang kita gunakan ke dalam research objektif ini. Kemudian yang ketiga ada discussion. Dalam discussion ini biasanya terdapat hasil dari
slide please.
Wait, Miss, because my signal is so bad.
Okay.
Baik, saya lanjutkan. Maaf, sebelum dari discussion ada juga result, yang dimana result ini isinya adalah
Result.
result. Dalam result ini atau hasil, di dalamnya isi hasil dari metode-metode yang sebelumnya sudah diisi dalam research paper, di mana biasanya terdapat data dalam bentuk tabel ataupun grafik dan juga bentuk-bentuk lain yang seperti di dalamnya berisi seperti data-data yang sudah kita sebelumnya buat di dalam metode. Kemudian ada discussion. Dalam discussion ini atau dalam bahasa Indonesia diskusi, biasanya mendiskusikan tentang apakah hasil yang kita sebelumnya buat di hasil yang sudah kita buat di sebelumnya itu memenuhi harapan kita dan mendukung hipotesis sebelumnya kita buat. Nah, dalam mengkontekstualisasikan temuan yang kita buat dalam penelitian sebelumnya atau teori sebelumnya, ini menjelaskan hasil yang tidak terduga atau mengevaluasi signifikansinya. Kemudian dalam diskusi juga mempertimbangkan kemungkinan penjelasan alternatif dan membuat argumen untuk pendapat-pendapat yang akan kita cantumkan di dalam research paper ini. Kemudian
Oke, saya ingin Novita menekankan. I wanna ask Novita, ya, to pressure for the discussion, the point of discussion, okay? The points of discussion. Jadi saya ingin Novita menekankan apa isi diskusi karena ini penting sekali, ya. Ini penting sekali nanti ketika kalian membuat paper. Seperti apa sih membuat discussion itu? Seperti apa membuat pembahasan itu? Oke, bisa dipoinkan? 1, membahas tentang ini. 2, membahas tentang ini. 3, 4, and so on.
Maaf, ini sebelumnya gimana sebelumnya?
Oke. I heard you that you explained about how to make discussion, okay? Yeah, A, B, C, D. Yeah, the kind to make discussion, the kind or the types that we can write, that we can type. In the discussion, on the discussion, right? So I want to ask you to explain again, yeah, and then make it fresher or make it if you want to make discussion, you have to consist of blah 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 blah. See?
Can I use in bahasa, Miss?
Okay, it's okay.
Jadi untuk membuat discussion, hal yang harus dilakukannya itu tidak menggunakan pernyataan ulang dari bagian dari hasil sebelumnya, kemudian
Sorry, Miss, because
The
there
dog
is
is
a
calling
voice.
you.
Yeah, I'm
It's
sorry.
okay.
Kemudian yang kedua, dari pemahaman saya, discussion ini harus memuat data-data dari research paper sebelumnya. Kemudian kita juga dapat mengaitkan antara teori dan pemahaman yang ada pada kita sampai ada pada kita. Kemudian dalam discussion ini juga menjelaskan logika yang memungkinkan kita menerima dan menolak hipotesis di awal. Dan juga dalam discussion ini juga kita harus menjelaskan apa arti dari hasil yang sudah kita peroleh sebelumnya, dan mungkin jika ada hasil yang berbeda dengan orang lain, kita jelaskan juga dalam discussion ini sehingga menemukan titik temu yang akan menjadi hasil di akhir. Menurut saya seperti itu, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think it's enough. You explain the body of the paper, yeah, the body of the research paper, and then you explain in English and then translate it into bahasa, yeah. And now we need move to theoretical review, right? But because the limited time, yeah, I wanna ask another group to explain about the theoretical review. Okay, please don't be I made it good, I made it perfect, and I try to make my presentation well. Okay, I know, yeah, I know, but we have a little bit time, just 15 minutes. Yeah, so I have to give another group chance, yeah, to show their results. Okay, is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, Miss, it's
Miss.
okay. It's okay.
Sure.
Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. That's good result. That's good explanation from your groups. Yeah, really complete, I think. Yeah, so I hope this knowledge, yeah, that you gain from analyze from the research paper can lead you, yeah, to make it one, ya. Jadi harapan saya kalian sudah membuat ini komplit gitu ya. Jadi harapan saya kalian bisa nanti buat research paper 1 gitu. Ya. Oke, one research paper. Ya. And not for too hard research, ya. Don't conduct hard research, right? Just for simple research. For example, how's the habit of elementary school students in the new normal era? Ya, jadi bagaimana habitnya anak-anak SD di era new normal? Do they wearing mask? Yeah, do they wear mask? Or do they wash their hands? Yeah, or do they make some distance to their friends? Yeah, maybe you can take a look for it, or you can make research, small research, or a simple research for it. Yeah, it's okay. Okay. Yeah, great. So, oh, you have, okay, wait. You have table. You have table that show us for the difference of theoretical review and then research paper. Yeah, okay. Please explain about this one. Maybe Desi?
Yeah, Desi will explain about this matter, about the differences between research paper and theoretical review paper. For Desi, the time is yours.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Sabina. Okay, I will to explain the difference between research paper and theoretical paper review paper. Okay, first definition. For research paper, is a long essay type article that is written by an individual on his or her understanding. The information used by an individual is raw. Jadi definisi ini menjelaskan kepada individu untuk singkat-singkatnya mengenai research paper. Jadi mereka lebih paham mengenai isi dari research paper itu. And for theoretical review paper is the current state of the topic which had already been done in research. It creates an understanding for readers about research and topic. Jadi theoretical review paper itu hampir sama seperti research paper. Definisinya itu untuk memberikan gambaran sedikit kepada pembaca mengenai isi dari materinya. Lalu second is purpose. Research paper to conduct and report our detailed original research study. It presents the author unique investigation of a specific research question. Jadi purpose-nya itu untuk memberikan gambaran detailnya mengenai dari materi yang akan diberikan dalam research paper ini. And theoretical review paper is to critically analyze previously published literature on specific topic. Jadi dalam teori review paper itu dia menganalisis kepada pembaca mengenai spesifik topiknya. Lalu third, what they are based on. And for research paper, it is based on original research that has been conducted by the paper's author. This is known as primary literature. Jadi di research paper ini memberikan conducted by paper's author. Jadi conducted is conducted is can my friends in my group to help me?
Okay. I got your point, yeah.
Okay.
For research paper, it's based on research, right? Research, ya, author's research. Artinya begini. Jadi kalau artikel research itu, artikel penelitian itu hasil riset, hasil penelitiannya si penulis gitu, ya. Jadi bukan hanya sekedar mengkaji atau membaca-baca teori, tetapi itu memang hasil diteliti oleh si penulis, ya. So this known as primary literature. Jadi inilah yang dinamakan dengan literatur atau sumber primer. Jadi adik-adik nanti kalau if you want to write scientific paper, you have to use primary literature, primary literature for your reference. Oke, jadi kalau kalian mau nulis artikel gitu ya, jadi gunakan artikel hasil penelitian sebagai daftar pustaka kalian, ya. Oke, next, Desi, the last one.
for the theoretical review paper is based on exciting published articles. It does not report any original research. This is known as secondary literature. Jadi di sini kalau theoretical review paper itu dia menggunakan artikel yang sudah ada dan di research lagi menjadi lebih dalam lagi dikajinya begitu. Sorry if I wrong, because I think seperti itu yang saya pahami dari theoretical review paper ini. And
Okay, wait. Back to the slide before. Previous slide. Okay. So on existing, right? Existing. Yeah. Okay. Because if you say the word or pronounce the word different with the word, yeah, your audience, your listener will translate it into the other meaning. Oke, jadi pronounce kalian atau pengucapannya itu, ya, it's okay. Don't feel oh I'm not confident like this. No, ya. Jadi pengucapan itu harus kalian pelajari because you are an English class, okay? So you need to try the best pronunciation. Jadi kalian coba untuk misalnya ada kata yang nggak bisa kalian ucapkan gitu ya. Misalnya, okay, how to read conducted. Okay, no, it's not conducted, but conducted. Yeah, you can try on Google Translate. Yeah, there's a voice symbol, and then you can click it, and then the Google will tell you how to pronounce the words. Yeah. Okay, for everyone, not for this you only, for everyone. Yeah. I know you are still in progress. You are still try the best and still try to speak English. This is very good, right? If I compare to the last 2 weeks before, everyone just keep silent. Just 1 or 2 of you answered my questions, but no, some of you try to speak English. That's very good, but I try to revise, the pronunciation of you. Yeah, but I know I have a mistake, I think. Yeah, I had many mistakes to pronounce a word, because we are not a native speaker. So just try to make it better, okay? Ya, jadi adik-adik nggak apa-apa, salah nggak apa-apa. Selalu saya bilang salah nggak apa-apa, tapi saya mencoba kalau ada kata yang mungkin pengucapannya kurang tepat, saya coba untuk perbaiki. Jadi kalian nanti berikutnya kalian sudah, oh iya ini tuh dibaca kayak gini, ini tuh diomonginnya kayak gini gitu, ya. Oke. May I know about the other class? I mean another topics besides scientific writing. Did the lecture use English, full English, or bilingual, or bahasa?
Excuse me, Miss.
Yep.
So some lecture use English, but another of them use bilingual. So yeah.
Okay. How many lectures full English, useful English? How many? 3, 2,
I think three of
I think three.
three. Okay. And then the rest of them use bilingual or bahasa bahasa is the most language that they use.
No, Miss. Maybe 50-50 because they have co-lecture. There is 2 lecture that teach us.
Okay, okay, right. So you try it every 2 weeks, yeah? Yeah, every 2 weeks. In a week, you try to speak English, right? And then next week, yeah, and in the after the weeks that we have meeting, you have no practice. Have you tried practice by yourself in bathroom or in bedroom or with your friends?
Yeah, I'm trying to
Sometimes.
sing a
Yes,
song.
Dharma?
Miss.
Okay. Where
A song in English.
where did you try to speak English, Dharma?
With my friends.
Okay, good.
This is my habit in like junior high school.
Okay,
Talking my friend with English
okay, good.
because my friend is good in English, so use
Okay,
bilingual.
okay. Your friend have good English, right?
Yes,
Yeah. So you try to speak English with him.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Very good. Very good habit. Another.
Yeah,
Sabina?
every weeks we all follow course, Miss, English course. So at that course we have to talk directly to each other.
Okay. You have a course every week, yeah? Every week, English course, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. And you have to speak English in the course, right? Yeah,
Yes,
so
miss.
that's why you can improve your English. Yeah, I think you have progress. Yeah, I feel your English is improving, ya, is progressing. Ya, jadi bahasa Inggris kalian sudah mulai apa ya? Sudah mulai fluency. You got a fluency a little bit, ya. Jadi kalian mendapatkan kelancaran berbahasa sedikit demi sedikit gitu ya. That's good. Okay. Let's forget about your practice, your English practice, right? Now we have still another table or same table.
So in this table is another difference between research paper, Miss.
Okay, I need not Desi only. Maybe you can change.
Maybe Elsa can explain about this.
Okay, what happened with Desi and Putri? The host is a change and Putri changed to Desi, change to Putri.
Sorry, Miss. I think Putri have technical problems.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry,
Okay,
Miss.
go on, go on.
My technique.
Yeah, you got technical problem, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Miss.
it's okay.
Okay, the difference between research paper and theoretical review paper. How to write. First, the author formulate a research question, collect raw data, and conduct an original study. And next, the research paper is then written based on an analysis and interpretation of this data. Di sini maksudnya itu pertama penulis merumuskan pertanyaan penelitian, kemudian baru mengumpulkan data dan kemudian melakukan studi. Selain itu juga makalah ini ditulis berdasarkan analisis dan interpretasi data. Meanwhile, theoretical review paper, the author selects topic and then summarize existing literature on that topic. Next, this is done in an untapped the present an overview of the topic, a state of understanding. Maksudnya penulis ini memilih topik yang kemudian merangkum literatur yang ada di topik tersebut. Biasanya dilakukan dengan menyajikan gambar umum tentang pemahaman topik tersebut. Next, structure. Research paper, it reports each step of the study in detail. This includes an abstract, the hypothesis, background study, methodology, result, and the interpretation of the finding. And it also includes a discussion of the possible implication of the result of how the study contributes to excite literature and suggestion for research. Maksudnya itu laporan ini memiliki struktur yang lengkap, maksudnya dari abstrak, terus hipotesis, studi latar belakang, metodologi, hasil, dan interpretasi temuan. Nah, laporan ini juga mencakup diskusi yang kemudian diimplikasikan hasil, terus bagaimana penelitian ini berkontribusi pada literatur yang ada, serta berisi saran untuk peneliti lebih lanjut. Meanwhile, theoretical review paper, identification and report commonalities between the result of the choose study. If there are description, the others try to provide reason for communication result. And with the lens perspective, the other analyze available information from problem with or grab within the existing literature. Maksudnya yaitu penulisannya berisi tentang identifikasi atau melaporkan kesamaan antara hasil studi yang dipilih. Jika ada ketidaksesuaian, maka si penulis ini akan mencoba memberikan alasan atau hasil yang bertentangan dengan perspektif yang seimbang. And last is link. Research paper, it depends of the word count specific by the journal, but word limit usually range between 3,000 and to 6,000 words. From some journal, the word limit might even go up to 12,000. Maksudnya di sini
length. Yeah, length, not link. Length.
Okay, Miss, length. And meanwhile, theoretical review paper, the word limit usually range between 3,000 and 5,000 words. In some cases, a longer or relatively short review paper may also be published depending upon the journal. Okay, I return into Sabina. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Elsa, for your explanation about the differences between research paper and theoretical review paper. Excuse me, Miss, may I maybe continue about the similarity between research paper and theoretical review paper?
Okay, I think we lose the time. Yeah, because we've already met in 2 hours. Yeah. So I think you can send your results, your PPT to the groups. Yeah. Write your name there, and then the file name, name of the groups. Yeah. And then review and research paper. Okay, name of the group underscore review and research paper. Yeah, send to the group, please. Don't send by private chat. Yeah, because maybe I forget to download it. Yeah, okay. I'm so sorry because we
Yes, Miss.
use 2 hours for meetings. Yeah, I think it's more than 2 hours, and then yeah, I think you feel okay, 2 hours, and then the data. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's hard for you and also for me. Yeah, okay. Yeah, Putri. Putri.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah. Okay, still mute.
No. Aduh, hilang nyala.
Okay, you lost the connection. Yeah, okay. Any question? Any question?
I wanna ask you, Miss.
Yeah, Era.
Maybe my question kinda out of our topic. So I wanna ask about our middle test. How and when we do the middle test? Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. You asked me about middle test. Actually, it is the second meeting for us, right? In IKI class, and I think it's a new newcomers. Yeah, I think you are newcomers because you change your class. Yeah, you were you were from regular class before. Yeah, maybe you had some meetings, maybe 2 meetings before, and then now you change into IKI class, and then this is your second meeting. How could I give you middle test? Because this is the second meeting, right? Yeah, and we just have a little bit knowledge about scientific writing. I want to give you a project. Yeah, I want to give you a project. So I don't know about middle test. How could I give you middle test? Because you are in the second meeting, not in the, okay, no, 3. Yeah, the third meeting, right? The first one for the last 2 weeks, and then last week you got typing ya, typing your tasks in learning. And then now we have third meetings, and I don't know what kind of middle test that I should give you. Okay, I will ask Mr. Marguna first and then tell you what should I do and what should you do. Okay, yeah, but I want to give you a project. Yeah, after this meeting, I want to give you a project. You make in pairs. Yeah, you make in pairs. You know, make in pairs, berpasangan. Ya, kalian membuat pasangan, make in pairs, ya, and then you will write a research paper on an essay or a proposal of PKM. It's okay, ya. You will make it one paper for each pair. Oke. Jadi sebenarnya saya mau ngasih kalian tuh project ya. Jadi project itu yang akan saya nilai lebih banyak gitu ya. Projectnya berpasangan. Kalian akan membuat paper, entah research paper seperti yang tadi saya contohkan, gimana perilaku anak SD di era new normal, apakah mereka wearing mask or washing hand every time, or making a distance with their friends. Ya, kalian mungkin mau meneliti itu yang simple-simple saja. Kemudian kalian tulis dalam bentuk research paper. Ya, atau kalian membuat esai. Esai itu critical paper, right? Jadi you have critical idea and then you write it down on the paper. It called essay. Right? Or you can make a proposal of PKM. Jadi kalian bisa buat proposal PKM ya. Maybe some of you wants to join the competition, ya, the competition of PKM. Maybe ya, maybe one of you here can receive money from the government, ya, from the PKM. Ya, jadi kalau kalian mau buat PKM boleh, siapa tahu ya, kalian beruntung, kalian dapat dana dari pemerintah, luar biasa kan? Siapa tahu saya nanti ditraktir beli es campur, ya kan? Oke, jadi itu yang ingin saya inikan. Oke, conclusion, ya. I want to tell you that research paper contains of some components, right? Abstract, okay, wait, title, and then the authors, abstract ya, keywords, and then background, theoretical review, and then methods, yeah, result and discussion, and also conclusion and recommendation. The last one is references. That's the structure of research paper. Yeah, you've already known about the structure or the components of research paper, and then the content of research paper. Right? Ya, jadi kalian sudah tahu tuh komponennya apa, isinya apa ya dari analisis yang saya tugaskan ya. Then, if you find a theoretical review paper, you show that in the content, the author making relationship between one concept to another concept, and then to explain the idea, ya, the idea. Oke, jadi kalau theoretical review itu menghubungkan konsep-konsep gitu ya untuk menjelaskan sebuah ide, gitu ya. Jadi no numbers, No analyzing the data by statistic. No, just a theoretical review. Oke. Jadi kalau pada artikel theoretical review itu hanya studi pustaka ya. Jadi tidak ada analisis statistik di dalamnya. Oke. You got it? Ya, ya. Oke. Oke, and then every group send your PPT into groups, yeah, into our groups, our groups, yeah, our WhatsApp groups, with name of the groups and then underscore review and research paper, right? Okay, and now in the next 2 weeks, yeah, we will start the project. I will ask you to make, okay, you can choose research paper or essay or a proposal of PKM, yeah, PKM, yeah, and then or literature review. You can choose four of them. Yeah, you can choose one of the 4. Okay, yeah. Please make a pair, yeah, before the meeting, yeah, and then I will tell you what should you do for the last semester. Ya, jadi saya akan buat pasangan dulu sebelum meeting ya. Jadi saya akan memberitahu kalian project kalian selama sisa semester ini. You will write a paper. Yeah, the product is paper. Okay. Is it okay if I conduct research? Yes, of course. But conduct simple research. Yeah, not hard research or not like you make what is it, skripsi. No. Jadi kalian tidak meneliti seperti skripsi ya, just for simple research. Ya, jadi yang sederhana saja. Misalnya bagaimana perilaku anak SD membuang sampah. Nah, simple, right? Yeah. How elementary students arrange the rubbish, yeah, or they can separate kind of rubbish, yeah, kind of waste. Bisakah mereka membedakan sampah? Misalnya begitu penelitian kalian, it's okay, ya. That's simple research. Okay, yeah. So I will explain about the tasks next 2 weeks, and then you will start to make your project. And then the things that related to making the project, we will discuss next 2 weeks. Okay, yeah. So do you have question before we leave the meeting?
I think it's clear, Miss.
Clear, yeah. Okay,
I have
thank
no
you very
question.
much. I think it's too late. We need to end the meeting. Yeah. Thank you very much and see you next 2 weeks. Yeah. Good day today. Have a nice weekend for tomorrow. Yeah. I think you have a good progress in English, right? Okay. Make applause for us. Yeah. Okay, good. Thank you, and then bye-bye. See you next 2 weeks.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
To me.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay.